Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisa Odechuku, and if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this braided ponytail look, which is called shuku in Nigeria. So I'm going to start by sectioning out my hair into 4 equal parts. I sectioned out my hair into 4 equal parts to help me be able to braid my hair all the way to the center. It's an easier way to achieve this style, because if you want to do it just like that, you might have problems distributing hair in the middle.
I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on.
I started on the first part and I just braided my hair, and if you notice, towards the end of my hair, at the ends, I twisted my hair because I just prefer twisting my ends rather than braiding it.
Now I wanna make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do, even though it hurts right now. We will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do, even though it hurts right now, we will make it through.
Also, the back is a lot harder than the front. So with the back, you want to use a mirror in front of you and one at the back, so you're able to see the back of your hair. But me, I just did it like that because I don't like stress. It's the back of my hair, and the braided ponytail is also going to cover it, so you don't exactly need it to be too perfect, really, unless you're tying your ponytail up.
You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby.
Once I was done with the braided hair, I packed it up with a scrunchie and I took it out of the way. So time to make the braided
But
ponytail.
I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do, even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. Ooh, I'll get over you. Oh, I'll get over you. So messed up together, even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do, even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. We were holding on to something that we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye.